Interchange File Format IFF was created by Electronic Arts in the 80s. It's a chunk-based format. IrfanView is your best friend for opening these retro files. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's open it. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party IFF file inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. IFF files are image files using the Interchange File Format originally developed by Electronic Arts for the Amiga computer platform. They store raster image data with color palette information and support multiple color modes including index color, ham, hold, and modify, and 24-bit direct color, used in retro computing, gaming, and multimedia. IFF image files use a chunked binary structure, with form container chunks and type data chunks, including BMHD for bitmap header, CMAP for color palette, body for pixel data, and optional CAMG for Amiga display mode flags. The format supports multiple compression methods including PackBits run length encoding. The IFF proprietary design mandates association with Adobe Photoshop from Adobe Systems Incorporated. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows offers minimal editing capability, while full manipulation requires image editing software. We're testing the system's interpretation of the file's data. Right-click the IFF file and click Open With. Test Adobe Photoshop first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right tool is key. If the IFF file is still giving you trouble, relax. Since the IFF file requires specific software, we must confirm the setup. Let's quickly review these key details on our preparedness checklist. First, viewing IFF images. Open IFF files in IrfanView with plugins installed, or XnView, which both support the IFF ILBM format natively. The image displays with proper color palette interpretation, including Amiga-specific display modes. GIMP also imports IFF images through its built-in file format. Support for viewing and editing. Next, converting to modern formats. Open the IFF file in IrfanView, XnView, or GIMP and save as PNG, JPEG, or BMP using File, then Save As. PNG is recommended for index color images as it preserves the palette without lossy compression. For batch conversion, use XnConvert or ImageMagick to process multiple IFF files to modern formats. Finally, using an Amiga emulation. Load IFF images directly in Amiga emulators like WinUAE, where they display using the original Amiga graphics, chipset emulation, including ham mode rendering. IFF files are also used as graphics assets in Amiga game development and retro computing projects, where authentic format support is required. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.